Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down what is Keep the Change by Bank of America, a super handy program that's been helping people save money effortlessly, with some exciting updates for 2025. If you're tired of struggling to set aside cash, this could be your game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, Keep the Change is a feature offered by Bank of America that turns your everyday purchases into automatic savings. Here's how it works. Every time you use your Bank of America debit card for a purchase, the transaction amount is rounded up to the nearest dollar. The difference, that spare change, is then transferred from your checking account to your savings account. For example, if you buy lunch for $7.25, it rounds up to $8, and that 75 cents goes straight into savings. Over time, these small amounts add up without you lifting a finger. Now, with the 2025 enhancements, Bank of America has made it even smarter. They might have integrated better tracking through their mobile app, linked it with budgeting tools, or added rewards for consistent saving. This makes it more appealing for tech-savvy users looking to build financial habits. The best part? It's free for most Bank of America customers and easy to enroll in via their website or app. Why should you care? The benefits are huge. It promotes painless saving, helps you reach your financial goals faster, and encourages better money management. Plus, it's a subtle way to combat impulse spending. Of course, remember to check if you're eligible, as it typically requires a linked checking and savings account with them. In wrapping up, Keep the Change is a straightforward, effective tool for anyone wanting to save without the hassle. If you're a Bank of America customer, sign up today and start seeing your savings grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on smart banking. See you next time.